Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 chemistry past question 8. If the elements X and Y have atomic number 11 and 17 respectively, what type of bond can they form? A. Dative, B. Covalent, C. Ionic, and D. Metallic. Now we have two elements X and Y. Element X has atomic number of 11 and Y has atomic number of 17. Now arranging this properly using the shells, we'll have 2, 8, 1, and for the Y we'll have 2, 8, 7. It simply means that X has a valence electron of 1. That's the valency now. The valence electron, that's electron on the outermost shell, is 1, and Y has a valence electron of 7. Now looking at this, X requires to give out 1 electron to complete its octet structure, and Y requires 1 electron to complete its octet structure. That means element X will donate 1 and element Y will accept 1 electron to complete its octet structure. Now this type of bonding, which involves the transfer of electron, is known as electrovalent or ionic bond. It's a type of bond that involves the transfer of electron from one atom, usually a metal, to another atom, usually a non-metal. Now looking at element X from the periodic table, element X represents sodium, while element Y represents chlorine, and this is a metal and this is a non-metal. So the answer to this question is option C, ionic bond. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.